Hello, let's walk you through this step-by-step tutorial of how to onboard your restaurant with Gintaa. Tap to open Gintaa Restaurant Partner App. You can either skip or click Next to continue. For signing up, enter your 10-digit mobile number. Tap to continue. For verification, an OTP will be sent. Enter the OTP and click to verify. You will be redirected to Terms and Conditions. Tick on the box to agree to register. Fill in your restaurant's basic details by adding a photo. Tap on the camera icon to select a favorable image, not exceeding 10 megabytes. You can edit the image, resize as per frame, and confirm to set the picture. Scroll, add your restaurant name, owner's name, and restaurant's legal entity name. Click Next to continue. Enter your restaurant address and tap to add complete address details. Fill out building, name, area, nearest landmark, and postal code. Tap to save. Provide valid FSSAI certificate number, followed by trade license and GST. If unavailable, untick and proceed by entering your PAN card number. Move to Next. If you do not have an in-house delivery service, tap to No. Also, if you are integrated with a restaurant management software, RMS, tap to Yes and select the following options: Pet Puja, Urban Piper, or others. If integrated with Pet Puja, add restaurant name and ID. If not integrated, select No and submit. Hold back. Your restaurant verification is undergoing progress. Congratulations! Your restaurant has successfully passed the documentation. Enter your restaurant's operational working hours. You can add slots as per convenience. Select the days your restaurant is closed. Click Next to proceed. As you have selected a third-party delivery option, the delivery details will be preset to default third-party delivery. Enter GST percentage and tick on the box to enable discounts on minimum order value. In case for self-delivery, tick on to Yes and proceed. Enter the maximum serviceable area, estimated time for delivery, minimum order value for free delivery, and delivery charges based on order value. In the packaging details, select packaging charges type from drop-down. Based on your business model, select from the options. Add the packaging charges. If you have a fixed charge, click Fixed. If it varies from order level, select Percentage. Browse through our cuisine categories to select Master Cuisine. Click to Next. Add bank details by inserting bank account number, IFSC code, and account holder name. Submit the details and you are good to go. Good news! You have successfully added your restaurant information. For a guided step-by-step detailed video on how to add menu, stay tuned to the next tutorial video. Thanks for watching. Download the app now and get on board.